The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said to Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiyallahu anhu, he said, "Oh Mu'adh, ya Mu'adh, wallahi inni la uhibbuk." Oh Mu'adh, by Allah, I love you. Now when you love someone, you want them to be in the best state and situation that they can. You want for them to be happy in this world. And more importantly, you want for them eternal bliss in paradise. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said to Mu'adh radiyallahu anhu, "Usika ya Mu'adh." I advise you, O Mu'adh. Look at the love that the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam had for his companions. And for the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, I advise you, and he's advising him with something that will bring him happiness in this world and happiness in the akhirah. He said, do not leave off saying at the end of every prayer. Say this at the end of every prayer. Do not leave it off ever. Because this is a way for you to attain happiness in this world and happiness in the akhirah. What were these golden words? What was this precious advice? He said, say, Allahumma a'inni ala dhikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. Oh Allah, aid me to mention you, remember you. Aid me to thank you, to show gratitude to you, and aid me to worship you correctly. Aid me to do these things. Because if Allah Azza wa Jal a'ana al-'abd fi tahqiq hadhihi thalath, if Allah Azza wa Jal grants the servant success and aids him to actualize these three things, to remember Allah, to thank Allah, to worship Allah correctly, he will be the happiest of the people in this world, and he will be the happiest of the people in the akhirah. Brothers and sisters, an important thing to understand. This thankfulness, being thankful to Allah, showing gratitude to Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. The benefit is for you, ya Abdullah and ya Amatullah. The benefit is for us. It does not benefit Allah in the slightest if we show him thanks. If we are ungrateful, it does not harm Allah Azza wa Jal in the slightest if we are ungrateful.